Single-use plastics portrays the epitome of today's throwaway culture, affecting terrestrial and aquatic ecosystem, resulting in deadly consequences. Non-biodegradable nature of most plastics, leaving its traces for many decades, is the main cause for accumulation of microplastics in human blood. It is a shocking problem of the need of the hour to be addressed. It is hard to know from the statistical data by 2050. It is expected that roughly 12 million tons of plastic waste will end up in the landfills, and more plastic than fish in the ocean will be seen by 2050. Hence, our research work is targeted towards achieving the four sustainable development goals, namely good health and well-being, climate action, life on land, and life below water. At national level, only few players in the market from UK, US, and Indonesia and France were dominant in the edible and eco-friendly packaging field. From India, three companies manufacture edible cutlery, and no players and manufacturers produced edible film, which created a market gap and laid the foundation for our research work. And we claim to be the pioneer on the edible film research with customized size and shape. Government ban on single-use plastics and its initiatives to support innovations on alternative solution for greener option is the basic need behind the novel solution which we are proposing. 4 long years have been taken to lay strong research work evidence on edible and eco-friendly packaging solutions. The developed prototype, process, and product are first of its kind, and we claim the intellectual property of the same. Edible films were developed from starch-based sources and seaweeds, and eco-friendly films were developed from orange peel and banana leaf. Edible tableware such as cup, bowl, cutlery, spoon, water plates, plate, tumbler were developed from various cereals and millets, and eco-friendly cutlery from onion, rice straw, and groundnut shell, and are validated in terms of assessing its mechanical, physical, and functional properties. Exposure test and sensory evaluation was also done. Shelf life and biodegradability tests were done to the products to be safe for human consumption. The uniqueness of the edible film and tableware is its customized size and shape with printability and sealability property, which is first of its kind and available in India. The technology readiness level is at 9. The novelty, insufficient lack of knowledge in the understanding is the gap to be bridged, and the proposed research will handhold and support the laws implemented by Government of India to ban single-use plastics to protect our Mother Earth. The novelties we claim are zero-waste management with circular economy and sustainable material management concept with respect to food and agriculture sector, high degree of innovation through circular economy and sustainable material management concept to replace single-use plastics from lower to upper crust societal applications, hence marching towards greener bio, transformation of inedible and disposable food and agro byproducts into utilizable edible films and tableware, and the last one is of consumer benefits, which includes nutritious, delicious, degradable, active, edible and eco-friendly film and tableware from local and native sources, from pediatrics to geriatrics usage. Cost calculation of the edible film. The cost of the edible film is quite higher when compared to the plastic covers which are commercially available in the market. But giving due consideration to the health hazards and the extensive use of single-use plastics, spending slightly higher amount to protect the health and the planet is the wise decision and investment for the present and the future generations. The steps taken to implement the solution relies upon the following benchmark initiatives, such as patent published for edible filmmaking machine fabricated by us, which is first of its kind, and the second is the patent in pipeline for commercial cup making machine. A first level of discussion with 2 industries for technology transfer has been done. The conduct of entrepreneurship development program for empowering the rural women folk in collaboration with Tamil Nadu Startup India for SC/ST women and the Krishi Vinyan Kendra KVK Coimbatore for technology transfer. Received first prize in the hackathon organized by Tamil Nadu Pollution Control Board in June 2023, and the idea has been shortlisted for submitting the proposal to Central Pollution Control Board. The innovation backed a few prestigious awards at the state and the national level. As a highlight, the research innovation was selected for the Sustainable Plastic Light Innovate Expo, which is conducted in UK in London on May 2023. And a UK-based startup company, that is Notepla, has also expressed interest for collaborative research work. Fortune Business Insights forecast that the edible packaging market would hit 1,050 million US dollars with a compound annual growth rate of 5.6%, which shows the positive signal for the prosperous business opportunity in the edible packaging sector in the future. The target end users are households, commercial, food, entertainment, and hospital sector. Both offline and online channel may be targeted for the distribution with green marketing strategy. The point to be emphasized is the competitive advantage such as less wastage, less energy, less emission of carbon dioxide, less exposure to chemical and decompose easily is the bionic solution of the product which we have developed. The unique value proposition is the holistic usage of raw material with fast biodegradability property and traditional food with modern essence is the uniqueness of our product. B2B, B2C and B2G business model can be put in practice for the commercialization. The scale of feasibility of the edible and eco-friendly packaging solutions are the need of the hour and replacement with sustainability. Promote capacity building and technology transfer to self-help movement and MSMEs and increase their business opportunities to empower the nation. Lend for franchises at national and international level with emphasizing global, transnational and multi-domestic strategy. The constraints of our innovation can be listed in terms of fund utilization, deliberate need of the funds for further taking up the research to the level with diversification of the process and the product, and the equipment is highly feasible and adaptable, although the initial cost of acquiring the machinery is significantly high as the lab scale model of the film making machine is available with us and it is first of its kind in India. And the manpower can be given skill-based training and the individuals can easily develop new products using this machinery and the technology. So coming to the expectations from the industry, joint research which is favorable with hand-holding research support and upgrade the technology can be entertained, and the partnership formula lends in terms of academia to industry, private sector and government with mutual understanding. To sum up, any innovation is successful despite its simplicity and transformed from lab to lab, reaching the community irrespective of economical and social background. Thank you for the opportunity.